हे गाइस, वेलकम टू अनदर व्लॉग। भाई टाइम आ गया है बाल कटवाने का। मेरे को सारे दोस्त व्लॉग में देख के कह रहे हैं कि भाई क्या इतने बड़े बाल कर रखे हैं। उनको क्या मालूम है कि यूएस में बाल कटवाने में कितने ज़्यादा पैसे लगते हैं। तो अपन पैसे बचा रहे थे इतने टाइम से, लेकिन अब बाल कटवा ही लेते हैं फाइनली। तो अपन ने डिसाइड किया अपन जाएंगे बाल कटवाने। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज की व्लॉग को। और बीच में आपको ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन दिखेगा, तो अगर मेरे को पहचान नहीं पाए तो प्लीज़ गाली मत देना। अपन वेट कर रहे हैं स्पोर्ट्स क्लब में। ये देख रहे हो आप, अलग अलग पैकेजेस का लाइनअप। वेटिंग टाइम 8 मिनट्स। मुझे आज भी याद है जब मैं पहली बार यूएस में हेयर कटिंग कराने आया था, तो मैंने देखा था कि सिर्फ़ और सिर्फ लेडीज़ सैलून में प्रेजेंट हैं। तो पहले तो मेरे को काफ़ी ऑकवर्ड लगता था, लेकिन अब तो काफ़ी यूजुअल हो गया है। मोस्टली मेन हेयर शॉप्स पे लेडीज़ रहती हैं। तो अपन आ गए बाल कटवा के और काफ़ी ज़्यादा ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हो गया है। ओह माय गॉड, इतने छोटे बाल मैंने बहुत टाइम बाद करवाए हैं। तो बस काफ़ी सही एक्सपीरियंस था। द लेडी वॉज रियली गुड। शी वॉज टेलिंग मी दैट शी लाइक माई हेयर। तो काफ़ी बढ़िया बातचीत होते होते बाल कट गए हैं। तो जो लेडी मेरे बाल कट कर रही थी वो एक्चुअली पिछले 42 ईयर्स से हेयर कटिंग कर रही है। सो दैट वाज लाइक अ क्रेजी एक्सपीरियंस लेडी। एंड उसके हाथ में पूरे टैटू वैटू थे सीजर्स वगैरह के और हेयर ड्रेसिंग इक्विपमेंट के। तो इट वाज अ गुड एक्सपीरियंस। आज का व्लॉग बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्पेशल है क्योंकि आज हम लोग जा रहे हैं खाने बाहुबली थाली। बाहुबली थाली यानी कि 5-6 लोगों का खाना एक ही प्लेट में, और वो भी यूएस में इंडियन फूड इस तरीके से। तो देखते हैं कैसा रहता है एक्सपीरियंस। अपन तो बहुत एक्साइटेड है। लॉरेन, आर यू एक्साइटेड?
Of course I am. Indian food's always good.
चलो देखते हैं कि डिसअपॉइंट होंगे या अच्छा लगेगा।
Have to sit accordingly, I guess.
I'm gonna rotate around the table for you.
तो भैया खाना आ गया है।
बैठ के कैसे खाना है ये सब?
मतलब 2-3 किलोमीटर तक थाली जा रही है। अनगिनत बोल्स हैं यहाँ पे, पता नहीं क्या क्या है, कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा।
So Vibhav, are you liking the food?
सुबह से मैंने कुछ खाया नहीं है, इसको ख़त्म करने के लिए।
Okay. अरे you should
कभी-
say the dialogue. सुबह से ना नहीं गया कुछ दाना.
आधा कांदा, सुबह से ना बिका है आधा कांदा। दैट वन राइट। तो अभी व्लॉगिंग तो बाद में करेंगे, पहले खाना खाएंगे। थोड़ा पेट में गुड़गुड़ हो रहा है तो उसको ख़त्म करना है, उसके बाद वापस चालू।
So you're originally from Delhi?
आई एम फ्रॉम आगरा।
Agra.
ये मैंने खाया
नहीं.
भाई
This is you did not eat.
दिस इज़ वेरी गुड।
I know I need to stop eating this, Shauna. Let someone else enjoy it.
Oh, everyone has a lot of things. You have to
Find the one thing I can
yeah.
stick with it.
This won't be the last time we will be coming here. If you are in Minnesota for long.
या द टेस्ट इज़ गुड।
अपना तो फिक्स है भाई, महीने में एक बार।
Yeah, FXB.
तो आप लोग तो बगल में ही है ना।
Yeah. I think monthly once we can come. We can. वैसे भी विंटर में क्या ही करेंगे?
But Sumi cooks better. So.
सर जी ये है आपका
इतना नहीं बनाएंगे पर।
केरला पराठा, ये है आपका।
Oh yeah. That's Kerala paratha.
इट्स नॉट केरला पराठा, इसका भी नाम है।
It's Kerala parotha.
It's not.
इट्स कॉल्ड
लच्छा पराठा।
मलाबारी
मला yeah.
Oh yeah.
मलाबारी पराठा।
Crust is very flaky for
Yeah. It has too many layers.
इसको
That's
दूसरा
lachha
नाम है।
paratha. That's North Indian. No, this is not lachha paratha.
दिस इज नॉट लच्छा। इसको कावन पराठा भी बोलते हैं, कावन।
आउट ऑफ सीक्वेंस खाना पड़ रहा है अभी।
Cottage cheese.
Just has cheese.
Just
and-
paneer, yeah.
Yeah.
Bas.
Doesn't look
You don't need to eat very cottage cheese for me. I'm a bit more educated.
Oh, okay.
यशी मेक्स
कहाँ से लिया?
पाव भाजी एंड ऑल फॉर मी।
उसके नीचे डोसा के नीचे,
Only brown
Topical.
those we just made. Yep.
छोली के नीचे।
See, all I'm hearing is that Lauren
Did I feed him?
makes this for me and Lauren makes that for me.
Oh.
So,
थोड़ा
Vibhav,
I-
what do you cook?
Hey,
I have
ये
taught
अच्छा
her.
है.
What?
Okay.
I had to train her for like 1
तो
year.
वो तो रोटेट होके आएगा
That's how I like this. This is what I like.
अभी ले ले.
Okay.
तो ट्रेनिंग करना पड़ा है.
That's what
प्लेट
happens.
थोड़ा खा लो.
That's what you're supposed to do.
So how much is your appetite? Like, can you eat like good food? नहीं.
I used to. I've like stopped eating. I've started diet. This is like 15th cheat day after 4 months of continuous diet. So we both were like following that.
Where are
Is it?
chole?
Yeah.
Because अगर मैं भटूरा लूँगा तो छोले होने.
Stuffed idli or something. Looks like idli.
Yeah, kachori.
No, it's not kachori. I thought it's aloo tikki.
Yeah, I also thought it's kachori, but it's
No, it's idli. It looks idli.
Looks like idli, but I
No.
don't know. I'll eat and see.
It felt like
No,
aloo
there
tikki.
is aloo.
it's
also.
aloo
कहते हैं.
tikki.
मैंने खाया.
तो ठीक है. मैं सिर्फ देख के बोल रही हूँ.
उठा पूरा उठा.
No, I'm good.
I like it.
That's made vada. This one.
Is that
Your
the one
mom
with
calls
the,
it donut.
with the? I'm not looking at my calories right now, so
You shouldn't. You'll be very upset.
You can't.
So if you go to MyFitnessPal, if you type Indian buffet, it will directly give you 2,000 calories.
2000 calories in one bhatura.
Yeah. It's time to rotate.
Say goodbye to the chana.
Chana was best.
I know.
But
With the
paneer was
क्या?
छोले आ रहे हैं बोला.
It's also
छोले
the
मैं पहले ही
best
ले
way
चुका
to
उससे
go.
थोड़े. But you go first.
Palak paneer was also good.
Wait.
What's this? What is this? I think no one has tried it yet.
That is like veg.
That's manchow soup.
Yeah,
Soup.
that's what I'm thinking.
Or
Like Indo-Chinese.
not manchow.
Oh, the
Some
Indo-
Chinese soup.
So the samosas look good.
कुछ तो Indo-Chinese लग रहा है.
Manchurian type लग रहा है.
I think so. No, I think that's mushroom.
Okay.
Mushroom.
Chili mushroom.
That I don't know. Some mushroom.
I mean, if it is mushroom, then it is. This is chili mushroom, I believe.
This is paneer.
Yep.
Yeah.
Still surviving.
We just
You are getting challenged. You will finish all.
no.
I don't think so. We can.
Hey, we can do it.
We
Nobody
can
did.
actually,
Yeah, you guys
but we
can.
should not.
Why?
We'll do it.
Until today, no one can finish tall.
Oh, so now it's a challenge.
Oh.
Now it's a challenge.
What do we get if we finish it?
Hitesh Bula.
Oh yeah.
If you can.
I can get you Tulasi's complimentary finish all.
After that.
Okay. Food, more food.
Yeah, our photo will be there.
Yeah.
वो चलेगा.
You want some samosa?
अभी ये बात बोल दिया तो मेरा ईगो पे आ गया.
But you can take the lassi home.
please.
So.
अगर आप करोगे तो मैं भी करूँगा फिर.
ओहो.
अरे अकेले को थोड़ी ना खत्म करना है. ग्रुप को करना है.
It's all for the vlog, I guess.
Vlog में नहीं. Vlog में बाद की हालत नहीं दिखा पाएंगे ना.
Who wants idli?
Tamarind or something.
Idli?
I can eat half.
Okay.
It's in Edina, I think.
किस नाम से?
हाँ से ले
No,
लो.
I haven't.
It's nice. It's very soft.
I'm actually trying to process what I should not order next time, like when I come in.
That's why
So-
you're here today.
Yeah, I think today it's like a menu selection you do, right? Okay, these are the things which are good, these are not good.
Or when one day you think, oh, Manchuria was good, but it is 4 days old. What we do?
मुझे मस्त लगा ये.
What?
What?
Finish it.
Crunchy part.
No. Try. Everyone try.
Real?
Actually घूम के आया है वो.
अरे सब लोग खाना.
Yeah, I think वो घूम के आया है. I think everyone has.
बिस्बिल बाद ना बहुत सही था मैंने कहा था. सबसे पहली चीज़ मैंने वही खाई. पता नॉनवेज में पता क्या हो जाता? लैम, फिश ये सब दे देते वो.
Okay. Yeah, that's a so.
वो हम लोग खाते नहीं है.
Non-veg is something that doesn't go well with thali. I feel.
Exactly.
It should always be ordered separately somewhere.
Interesting.
Okay, Vibha.
What's that?
Take
Oh, okay.
What paneer is this? Some Indo-Chinese.
अरे
Right?
सब इंडो
but
चाइनीज
it's
है.
tasty.
Yeah, so it's like.
क्या हुआ?
ज़्यादा डल गई.
Like trying to focus on finishing food.
Bro ने
Now
challenge
he's
किया.
He's taken.
up for the challenge.
बिल्कुल ले लिया. Oh my god.
Yeah. Now. अभी क्या खाए?
बिरयानी को इतनी जल्दी मुंह नहीं हो सकता.
Should I
Biryani.
finish? Besibelabad?
कर दो.
Did you try?
No, I did not.
उसके लिए रखो.
Oh, so I'm not supposed to try. Got it.
Okay. I'm taking.
Looks like dal rice.
Yes.
Oh,
सब्जी रोटी खाते
he's
हैं.
taught me well.
चावल.
ये लेयर का यही खोल देता.
खाली नहीं हो रहा है?
It's not
Like-
small. It's one portion.
क्या? मेरा नहीं.
Each of this bowl is one portion. This is not paneer, right?
Yeah, this is
ये
like a malai kofta.
मलाई
kind of
कोफ्ता
thing.
लग रहा है
Use
या
this
फिर
as-
दम आलू
It's
लग रहा है.
actually,
Dum aloo, I
it's
think.
actually dum aloo, yeah.
उसमें से आलू निकला बाहर.
But it's more malai
I was
based,
expecting
so
paneer.
it's creamy.
पनीर कहाँ है वही नहीं दिख रहा मेरे
इधर
को.
है, कढ़ाई पनीर है.
No stopping.
What?
No stopping.
Yeah, what are you doing?
तो बोलो.
Keep going.
What are you doing?
और कोई मुझे ही बोल रहा था.
Ah. I had an ice cream yesterday, so that's still
Yesterday.
I'm
Yesterday की
Ice
आइसक्रीम तो कहाँ पहुँच गई सर?
That's the one thing I've been wanting. Nice Ben and Jerry.
बिरयानी को हाथ भी नहीं
I'm
लगाया.
sure they've seen it many times.
ऐसे मत
सबके
बोलो.
मुंह पे गिव अप वाले एक्सप्रेशन है. आप अकेले खत्म कर दे.
I don't think
चलो,
so that
चलो,
Raj
करते
can do it.
Yeah.
चलो करते ना मैं तो रेडी हूँ.
Yeah.
4-5 दिन
I think that one's garlic. But everything else.
I think we'll finish the food and it will be good enough for all of us for
भाई
tomorrow.
ये
as
चावल
well.
नहीं खा पाऊंगा मैं.
You can't eat white. Yeah, you can't eat that plain white
They have
rice.
two. They have one.
There are four.
Three,
There
four.
are four. There are 3
Arey
biryanis and
yeah.
1 plain white rice.
I didn't even see the plain rice.
That's yours.
Yeah, without nuts.
Needed it though. So.
आराम से.
दम आलू अच्छा खा लो.
कौन सा ये? I'm finishing it.
हाँ भाई. Whatever you
Oh,
can.
Lauren will eat bhatura, I know that much. If you get
I want to eat some biryani, so I'm just like
Waiting.
Eh?
एक्चुअली बैंगन का सब्जी अच्छा है.
बैंगन का किधर है?
No, go ahead,
Dragon?
go ahead, go ahead. I need some time to process the things I just ate.
ये बंद कब होता है ये चेक कर लो. अगर लेट बंद होता है तो चलता रहेगा.
Yeah, I don't think they close.
We can go out on a
early,
walk.
like they, yeah, they're open till at least 10, I believe, 10 or 11.
What percentage of like stomach is full?
I don't know. I can eat all day, but I know what I want to eat, so I will just taste now. So
क्या बस
probably-
बातें. I
बातें.
can eat all day.
So me.
वो आके खुला चैलेंज दे के गया है.
Adhan Raj ko, because he knows, like, you can see on his face that this person can do it, probably. Not me.
इडली I'll eat with sambar. Where is sambar?
How do I break this?
पूरा ले.
अरे भाई एक पीस तो खा ही
It's a
सकते
very
हो
Just
सब्जी.
pick
Big-
it up with your hand.
you
You're
don't-
gonna eat it anyways.
No.
It's okay. I'm holding the entire dosa with my hand.
What sabzi is this?
This is beans.
Never mind.
Still chana floating around.
Chana? Yeah.
Yeah. That
Chana
was my
is
thing. I'll
yum.
eat that if no one else is. I gave everyone else a chance.
No, go
I
ahead.
gave everyone else a chance. They're my favorite.
There's a bhatura also, Lauren. Here.
I don't need a bhatura right now. But
You don't need a bhatura, then how will you eat chana?
anything. Anything will work. It's good.
Like you don't like rajma, but you like chana. What kind of logic is that?
Americans don't have lunch.
Can I
Rajma is
get
my
some
favorite.
Rajma, exactly. Rajma is favorite. गाजर का हलवा है क्या?
Gajar ka halwa. Oh,
Hey,
nice.
hey, there's biryani. You don't talk about dessert. I mean, it's good that they have not made it spicy. Like they have made it, like kept it normal.
नूडल्स भी 2 तरीके के डाले हैं.
मैंने तो एक ही खाया हुआ है.
No, वो उसके अंदर noodles पे है. Fried rice में भी.
ओह.
Fried rice या थोड़ा सा.
तो उसके ऊपर का राइस चला गया, सिर्फ नूडल्स बाकी.
Can someone pass
No
me a
pressure,
vinegar
Vibha.
too?
Garlic naan, anyone?
I might. But किसके साथ ही समझ नहीं आ रहा मेरे
Palak paneer.
आँख बंद कर ऐसा ऐसा हाथ घुमा.
को. अक्कड़ वक्कड़.
You can have it all.
अरे भैया what are you doing?
It's having
Yeah.
issues.
You should do it in front of the camera. Say cheer pa.
That's what I'm like.
It wasn't intentional. I wanted a small little square piece. And got stuck.
थंबनेल में ऐसे आना चाहिए मुंह भरा हुआ.
Original गाना.
These are dals, right?
This is
No,
soup.
this is soup.
Oh, that's
I don't know what this is.
That is chow chow soup. That is mau mau soup.
Sweet.
देखो अब सब क्या है हलवा हो गया है. अब सबका स्वाद ऐसा हो गया है कि सब एक जगह.
No, I can still feel it. गाजर का हलवा का पता चलेगा अलग से.
Things
Okay,
का
I'm going for biryani.
Yeah, go ahead. Like, I mean, no one's stopping you.
Man, this is a lot of biryani.
2 hours later.
mango lassi.
खाने का
वो घर तो लेके जाएगा इधर से, खाएगा कि नहीं पता नहीं.
करेक्ट.
खाने का अभी क्या ही बोले.
खीर बहुत मस्त था.
हाँ,
Kheer
खीर.
मेरा हो गया.
I mean, सब खाना अच्छा
my
था.
favorites: desi belabat,
Oh yeah.
rasam, sambar, that paneer, whatever that was.
Paneer tikka.
No,
Oh,
not paneer
the,
tikka.
paneer-
Green chutney के साथ.
Indo-Chinese.
Indo-Chinese paneer.
That paneer
चिली पनीर का.
was my favorite.
That aloo tikki was amazing.
Very oily.
It's okay. I love it.
Bus.
I like the palak paneer. I like the dum aloo.
Dum aloo was good.
I loved Manchuria actually. So much food. Only the small portions, but still feels a lot.
Exactly.
That's not a small.
That's a
It's a tiffin.
that's a different. Yeah.
What's your reaction, Lauren?
It was good. What I could eat.
नहीं हो पाएगा हम लोगों से आज. कम से कम 15 लोग चाहिए इसको खत्म करने के लिए.
हम होंगे कामयाब. हम होंगे कामयाब.
बिरयानी जैसा है.
तो डिसअपॉइंटमेंट दिखाने से बेटर है कि खत्म करते हैं यहीं पे ब्लॉग को.
Can we come with like 10 people?
I mean, what is the minimum? Maximum?
6 people is the limit here.
Oh.
The conception here is this is like for like trying stuff. It's like promotional thing here. So the concept is to try each and every stuff what we get
Correct.
here.
Yeah.
So next time whatever you like you can order.
Guilty of wasting the food.
No, that's why we give boxes.
Yeah.
We don't want to waste food.
तो अपन अब निकल गए हैं रेस्टोरेंट से एकदम मरी हुई हालत में. अब जैसे तैसे घर पहुंच के सोना है क्योंकि इतना ज़्यादा खा लिया है यार चैलेंज के चक्कर में. सर आपको कुछ कहना है?
I'm done for the day. I think a long walk would be helpful.
Yeah, but I don't have energy for that. Like I feel like maybe settling down would help.
Probably.
Lauren, any comments?
It was very good. If I could eat more, I would have been happy.
We'll drill holes in stomach. I didn't eat anything since morning and still I could not eat a lot.
Yeah, we didn't eat much
Yeah.
leading up to this.
चलो गुड नाइट गाइस. हमारे लिए तो अब सोने का टाइम है तो आई होप यू लाइक द वीडियो. लाइक
Share, subscribe. No,
To-
like, share. Say like again.
लाइक
Share.
Subscribe.
टू US Masala. Thank you.
Dhanyavad.
See you guys.